Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make a closet hiding system in Roblox Studio. So firstly open up Roblox Studios, then head to My Games. From here open the game you want to add a closet hiding system into. So I'll head into my test game. Now let the game load. After the game loads properly, we'll head into the toolbox section. From here under a models tab, we'll search for hiding closet. Now here you will find a lot of different hiding closet models. You can just add any one of them into your game. I'll add the first one. So here is the hiding closet. As you can see. So in order to edit the assets of this hiding closet, you will have to go to the Explorers tab, then open up the closets group. Here we'll find all the assets, and the script folder is in the parts menu, where you can change the attributes of the closet. Now let's test it out. Click on the play button. Now here is the closet. In order to get into the closet, firstly we'll go into the first person mode. After going into the first person mode, you will see that a button called E has appeared. If we click on it, we'll be inside the closet and nobody outside will be able to see that we are in here. Now in order to get out, press E button again. So now you are outside the closet. So this is how you can add a closet hiding system into your Roblox game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.